Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term light verse. Introduction. Light verse is a versatile and enjoyable form of poetry that embraces a wide range of themes and tones, allowing poets to express themselves with gaiety, wit, and good-natured satire. The essence of light verse lies not in the insignificance of its subjects, but in the light-hearted, relaxed manner in which they are treated. This video explores the characteristics of light verse with a particular focus on the subcategory known as verse de society, which deals with the affairs and doings of polite society in an urbane and satirical manner. The nature of light verse. Light verse as a genre employs an ordinary speaking voice and a breezy conversational style. It can address a wide array of subjects, ranging from the trivial to the significant. What sets light verse apart is its light-hearted and sometimes humorous approach, even when discussing weightier matters. The tone of the lyric or narrative speaker plays a crucial role in shaping light verse, allowing poets to convey their messages with a playful touch. Verse de society. Within the realm of light verse, one prominent subcategory is verse de society or society verse. This form of poetry revolves around the relationships, concerns, and happenings of the well-mannered and refined members of society. While often satirical, verse de society maintains a light and playful banter rather than resorting to harsh criticism. When exploring themes of love, the poetry takes on flirtatious or sexually playful tone, avoiding intense emotions or seriousness. Notable practitioners of light verse and society verse. Throughout literary history, many esteemed poets have mastered the art of light verse and verse de society. In the early 17th century, the Cavalier poets and John Skelton crafted delightful examples of this poem. The elegant witticisms of John Dryden, Matthew Prior, Lady Mary Wortley Montagu, Alexander Pope, and W.S. Gilbert also enriched the tradition. Among modern poets, Ezra Pound, W.H. Auden, E.E. Cummings, Ogden Nash, and Marianne Moore have made their marks in the world of light verse. Children's verses and limericks. Light verse extends its charm to children's poetry as well. Edward Lear and Lewis Carroll, with their delightful nonsense verses, created a Victorian specialty in children's literature. Lear's popularization of the five-line limerick, with its AABBA rhyme scheme, is an enduring form of light verse cherished by both children and adults alike. Conclusion. Light verse, with its carefree demeanor and clever wordplay, has enriched the world of poetry throughout the ages. Verse de society, as a subgenre of light verse, adds an air of sophistication and satire to polite poetry. With its playful elegance, light verse continues to captivate readers and inspire poets to embrace the joy of language and the pleasures of poetic expression. So this was the discussion on the term light verse. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.